Hello guys, today I'm going to be making a video of the THECUTIE14 Den. I can't say anything about it then. It's so awesome. She's right there, I don't know who she's mad at. Okay. Some of you guys don't know the THECUTIE14. I guess a lot of you don't know her, but she makes videos. She has a lot more subscribers than me and blah blah blah. Okay. I like this little restaurant thingy. I say it's a bar. And that one was like, and this is like a kid playroom over here. And that's like technically the room. Then that's it. And yeah, this is such a small video. A short video, I mean. Okay. And I wanted to say, guys, if you like my new look, I just got this top hat from, this is the THECUTIE14's best friend, Serena. I got it from her. She traded me this top hat for my legendary gloves. That I thought it was a fair trade because we got the legendary gloves from Diamond Shop. But I think she wanted it really badly without wasting her time. So yeah, and I really didn't even like that legendary glove. I don't even use it. How you going? Oh, that's such a good trade. I wanted that top hat so badly. That top hat so badly. Oh my god, what did I thought? Oh my gosh. Oh my god, why didn't I say yes? Oh, it's such a hard decision. Okay, I'll be right back, guys. Wait. Did they come to my bed? I'm not getting come over now. Okay. As soon as she comes to my den, I need a budget. Okay. I'll get the deal from her end. Okay, let's see. Okay, guys, she didn't want the deal. I was saying that if she wanted to add another top hat for it, because I worked really hard to get this top hat. I'm not joking. I worked super hard to get this rare one, and this was my dream look since I was a non-member. Yes, it's true. Okay, I need to buy it now. Okay. It's a secret. Okay, the secret was, this was a secret, actually. This is a secret right there. Yes, you see that? That was a whole secret. I don't know what that was. Well, that's the whole video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Wait, and there's gonna be no description for this video. Subscribe, comment, rate, subscribe. Bye-bye.